works. Perfect.
Yeah.
Well, welcome to another episode of Student Cast today we have
My name is Kong Nguyen.
our Elton.
Yeah,
We also
Elton.
have a blog on the CSS space.
Yeah.
Oh, do you want to tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yeah.
Who you are?
Yeah, I'm currently taking, I'm in a master program at Claremont for more than a year. I finished about 4 or 5 classes, and I have a very strong interest in artificial intelligence, quantum computing.
Very cool.
Yeah, it's a big thing that I spent a couple of time to read on the magazines and article related to quantum computing using MIT website, and I also looking at the paper in acm.org, and one of the reasons I feel strongly interested on quantum computing because I believe in the future we need to have a faster machine, because now we have to face with too many problem. Like one of the things is what we can call is a natural disaster. So, for example, if you work on the emergency center and you got a lot of information and you have to deploy emergency tasks, but you don't know which one you should send first. So you have to collect on the decision. And sometimes if you make a mistake because you tired that day, you were so busy or you stressed out everything, I think most of the time, the machine might do it better because they don't have the
less errors and all that stuff. Right?
Emotion. And
also,
I'm also thinking about after you can build machine on a system, you can train them by creating rules, and you fit the rule into the system, and you make sure the rule is not conflict. Yeah. So that's it.
That sounds easy, but actually it's not really hard.
I think that will be the future.
That's why we need to do research about it.
Yeah. I also heard that in Princeton they develop new technology. In the future, you can program using your voice. You don't need to type it anymore.
Wow.
So what that means is after you build a good system, you can train them on the rules and you let them learn. So whenever you get a call, you can let the system make a decision, or you can review that decision before you dispatch the team.
Oh, it sounds like you have a lot to offer to our department, CSAT, right?
No.
Not yet, but you will probably, hopefully.
Yeah, I'm working on a couple of tools. I think most of the tools now, like especially Oracle database or SQL Server, they have the built-in inside, what they call algorithm built inside. So what they call smart reporting tool, right? Reporting service in SQL Server 2005 and on Oracle 10. And I'm planning to use it one of the database server like Oracle or maybe SQL Server 2005 for my class.
Wow, you seem like you do have a lot to offer. So now. So I heard that you're probably going to be looking forward to maybe join a couple of labs. I mean, in the near future, talking to.
Yeah, I hope. But the one of the things I need to narrow down my topic because it's still so big, and I also want to find out what people doing already. And after I read a lot of magazine, now I know exactly what I need to do. Right? It can be very high level because my background I also. Have a strong background in math, so I want to come up with a formula. Like for example, you get a data set, and you come up the rules, and you come up with a decision tree. Yeah,
wow.
but one of the questions you might ask is the rule, the decision tree that you have it might apply well on particular data set, not for the different data sets. So that's another thing you can write about it. You said, okay, by looking at some data sets, raw data, the system that you build will be able to apply or let them learn the rule that you apply or not.
Wow.
That's another thing. That's another thing. There's too many things in my that's why I try to narrow it down and try to focus
Well, now let's go for something not as serious.
Yeah.
Oh, do you do anything for fun? Hobbies or anything?
My hobby, I listen to music, classical
Oh,
music.
You play music?
Yeah,
Right. I saw your picture on the Season
I-
Space,
I-
your blog, right? You play
I play violin. Yeah.
violin, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's romantic or
Yeah,
whatever.
yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Anything else like sport or?
Sport, I used to play tennis, swimming,
Ah.
reading. I read a lot.
That's good.
Yeah.
It's good to read a lot, especially you want to be. I mean, you're going to be a PhD student.
I don't know yet. Because,
Oh, you don't know yet, though.
Yeah, I don't
Well,
know yet.
No, I guess that's it for today's Simcast. Thanks very much,
Yeah.
Elton.
Yeah.
So I guess I will see you more sometime on Caesar Space. You know, when you have some time to update your blog and stuff. I guess it's really cool. So
And then
for
also,
anybody who hasn't visited his blog, it's really cool. It's
Yeah.
very hard to understand, but it's really cool stuff. Quantum physics.
no, I really thanks Peter. Give me a chance to talk about what I'm doing. The reason I don't want to talk about it because I think it's still a long way to go.
Well, visit his blog. It's really cool. Thanks.
Okay.
Wow, that was good. Yeah, I'll go and upload this for next